Hi everyone, so it's me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel, channel, channel. So yes, I'm back again. I'm back in cooking. So for today's videos, I'll be sharing to you my super easy recipe for apple pie. So lately, I've been watching videos, TV shows, and yeah, videos and TV shows about how to cook sweets. I'm not into sweets, and then my partner is into sweets, and his family is into sweets. So I can try this. So now is I'm be sharing or showing to you how I will make my apple pie. This is not the first time I make this one or I bake this one. So I know I can do it better. So all I just need is this pie crust. It's ready made. It's already ready for us to cook. And then I got this and this fried apple. It's ready to mix with my cinnamon and my nutmeg. Let's take the pie crust off here too. And then don't forget to preheat your oven for 425 degrees. Okay, so this is our first step. Is to make sure or replace our pie crust in the bottom of our disposable pie. Here, this one is really easy, guys, because you don't need to knead the flour to make a pie crust. Then you don't need to cook also the apple fillings. So let's place it here, and then don't worry, my hands are already clean. I just wash it. Press lang natin yung each side of this, and then the bottom also, para talagang parang hindi bubbly pagkaluto. Okay, and then next is let's add our apple filling. And then let's add 1 teaspoon of our ground cinnamon and our nutmeg. And then mix lang natin. Okay, and then next is, let's put it there first. Let's cover it with the other remaining pie crust. Okay. Okay, so here, and what I will do is I will use the fork to make a hole in here. Para hindi siya puputok while we are baking our pie. Because sometimes if there's no too much pressure inside the pie, puputok siya. So I'll just make a hole. Para also later is meron tayong guide on how to cut the pie. Okay. So, para hindi masunog ang gilid ng ating pie is I'll wrap it with a tin foil. Wrap natin ang side para hindi siya totally burn talaga. Okay. See this, guys? This is how you wrap the side of the pie para hindi siya masunog. Then I will set this aside at some the moment while waiting for our preheated oven. Once it's ready, then we will be cooking it for 45 minutes. Here. Here. So our oven is ready. It just started beeping that tells me or informs me that it's ready. Okay, here for 45 minutes. You can put it in your oven until the crust will turn golden brown. Okay guys, so our pie is finally cooked. Here you go. It's finally cooked, and I'll set this here because this will be a good pie. And it is fully cooked. I really liked it. I love the color of it. It's not burned. Then it's properly cooked. See that? It's really pretty. There you go. This is my apple pie. Ooh, 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 ooh. It for sure tastes good. So yes, that's my apple pie. Again, this is Jeansy Veral, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you still did not subscribe, please do subscribe my channel, and you can share it to your friends also, on your family or in your social media account. And don't forget to write down a comment. Bye bye. See you in my next videos.